Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with something that's very easy. It's always requested, and it seems that anybody can do it whatsoever, no matter what skill level you're at. And what we find is it gives lovely results every time, as long as your paint's the correct consistency, which I find don't have your fluid art paints too thin for this one. Do them quite, not very thick, but a little bit thicker than you would for, say, a Dutch pour blowing out your paint. I was just using up some paint on the base there. It really doesn't matter how I layer this. That is a waterproof wax paper that I'm going to do my canvas dip on. It's going to be a 40 by 40 canvas that was previously painted on, that I didn't like the outcome of what was painted on it, so I'm going to see if I can dip over it so as not to waste the canvas. And I just did that great big splodge of paint come out, whereas it must have had a little bit of something in there. But just push on, because I'm absolutely sure that it won't make much difference. Some kind of chevron patterns in there, all sorts of things going on. So I'm just going to layer my lovely colours, and then you'll see what I'm going to do. I literally get 4 pieces of art out of this one process. So if you want to use up paints as well after you've done your first dip, there is obviously lots of paint there to continue dipping, and you'll see each piece turns out looking completely different. So I literally think I've put every colour of the rainbow there. I've got the blues, I've got turquoise, I've got orange, I've got gold, that is, what's that one? Magenta. I've got it all going in there. So it's in the white and dark blue, and now there's crimson red. So it's all happening, and these are my absolute favourite, is to shove as many colours in there, and you get some beautiful results, almost like tropical birds. So I coated over the canvas that I'd pre-used, just hoping that I can salvage it, and then I'm going to flip it over and dip it on all of those absolutely tropical yummy colours that I placed down. Let's see how we go. So pressing it down, pressing it all out, you can press it quite firmly for sure. Now I'm going to do a slide, so it's a dip and slide, and then lift it up. And look at that, looks like a tropical bird. Beautiful. Look at all those colours in there. Definitely like a tropical bird effect. So that was a 40 by 40, so I'm literally scouting around for anything I can use to dip in that leftover paint there, and make more art pieces to gift. So much nicer to give those small canvases as a gift, or a gift instead of a gift card. Yeah, lovely. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just dipping to my heart's content, see what I get out of each one, and I believe each one comes out stunning. That's gorgeous. Now for a third piece, and of course really your fourth piece is the piece of wax paper, because you can allow that to fully dry and then cut out all the little bits that you like to maybe put in cabochons, jewellery making, or anything, a collage, whatever you choose. So there's a dip and slide. Well, there you go, that's beautiful too. It looks a little bit, sort of picked up a lot of the greens down the one end, but super happy with those. I'll bring them all round. Oh, there you go. I found a little placemat. I'll just pop it in. It's just a little wooden placemat, so pop it in, You can allow that to dry and resin coating. It's just like a little, not a placemat, a coaster, a cup coaster. So you can make some really pretty cup coasters over with your leftover paints. So nothing really does get wasted. I do get so many people comment, what a waste, you're wasting all that paint. But you can just, well, you see, well, oh gosh, there's another one. I didn't know how many I did on this. You can just keep dipping and using your leftover paint. So I might only show you me dipping once or whatever for the sake of a tutorial video, but I may very well go on to use all the paints up for these little canvases that I give as gifts. So remember, your art, your rules, your way. So yeah, I made several pieces out of that. That one is turning a little bit muddy, but it's still okay, and I can pretty it up with those little balloon kisses, as I've showed you there. So super happy with this dipping extravaganza. I'll bring you down, have a little looky see. I think we'll call this a dipper's delight. That's a true summer garden. Wow, 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 wow. A dipper's delight. So you can just keep on dipping till all your paint is gone using coasters, other canvases. Gift them. Gift of love. That's the bigger one. I think that's 40 by 40 canvas. Love, love, love that one. There's the smaller ones. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, too many colours. Of course there was, but that's it. Remember, your art, your rules, your way, your paint. There you go. Next one. See, everyone is different. I love that purple and the red. Might just try that purple, red and gold. Love it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Love the whole process.
Suddenly the air would shake. The jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near. The leaves would fall like paper tears. I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same